Here are two sets of numerical data. I want to explore these further. I will graph the data and carry out some calculations, and find out if the two sets of data are significantly different to one another. First, I calculate the mean, as well as standard deviation for each set. These calculations can be carried out using the formula shown. I want to present the data graphically. First, go to the Insert tab, then select a chart type. Right-click on the chart, then choose Select Data. For data set 1 and 2, I am first going to graph the mean values. With the average values for data set 1 and 2 plotted, the x-axis labels can be tidied up as shown. To show the variation for each set of data, standard deviation error bars will be added to the chart data. Click on the chart, go to the plus sign, then choose Error Bars. From the drop-down menu, select More Options. Choose the mean data point where you want to add an error bar. Scroll down, then select Custom, then Specify Values. Add the standard deviation value for both positive and negative error values. Repeat the process, so that both mean data points have standard deviation bars. To carry out some basic statistical tests, the analysis add-in first needs to be activated. Go to the File tab, press this, then scroll down and press Options. From here, select Add-ins. Select the Analysis Tool pack, and then press Go. Make sure the pack is activated with a tick mark, then press OK. To carry out a stats test, first, go to the Data tab. Then at the top right of the toolbar, select the Data Analysis tab. Choose from the list the test you want to carry out. Then, select the data sets to compare. When the test is run, Excel gives an output. In this example, I wanted to look for difference between my two data sets, as well as see if the difference was significant. Generally speaking, the p-value gives an indication of significance. A value of less than 0.05 is usually considered significant. Thanks for listening. I hope this video has been helpful.